Hello everyone. So in this video we'll make a water ATM. So this is our reed switch which will turn on the water pump when a magnet is brought near, and it has three pins like VCC, ground and digital output. So the digital output will go to A1, the VCC will go to V and ground will go to G, and I have connected one more pin from A2 to the positive pin. Because this is active low, so we have to connect the positive to the A2 so that it does not trigger like without bringing the magnet. So I have here some old card, and like I have pasted a magnet using cello tape. So like when I bring this card near this reed switch, it will turn on this motor. So you can like create cardboard box and like create slot to insert this card. So like when somebody insert their card, like it will dispense the water. So like let's just see the demo. So you can see like when I'm bringing the magnet near, it is dispensing. And when I remove the magnet, the water automatically stops. So like when I remove my card, it stopped dispensing, and like when I insert my card into the slot, it will start dispensing the water. So you can create your own water ATM. I'm not good at craft, so I'm just like showing you the principle, the working principles, the electronics and all those things.